Geography and Civic Year End Test 2021. Question number 1. Spurs, deep gorges, passes, plateaus, and gaps are some special features of Earth. What's the correct answer you selected?
Mountain landscape.
Mountain landscape. Correct. Mountain landscape. Answer correct. India's second largest city is
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Mumbai. Good. Mumbai is the second largest city. Largest city is New Delhi. Jute is the main crop in lower delta region of River Ganges in
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Answer correct. The Survey Department of Sri Lanka began to prepare a map of Sri Lanka based on metric units during the first half of the 1980 decade. The scale of this map is
1 to 50,000.
1 to 50,000. 1 to 50,000. මේ 80 දශකයේ පිළියෙල කරපු metric maps තමයි survey department එක 150,000 සිටියේ. Good. The only natural satellite of the earth is Moon. Question number 6 has an attractive set of rings around it. These rings are formed of ice particles and different sizes.
Saturn.
Yes, Saturn has Marte, Pluto, Ceres, Eris are in the solar system. Dwarf planets, yes. Dwarf planets. Your answer is correct. The two South Asian countries that don't have a coastal belt are
Nepal
and Bhutan.
Nepal and Bhutan, yes. These two countries don't have a coastal belt, coastal area. The second largest planet in the solar system is
Saturn.
yes, Saturn, correct. Number 10, the imaginary lines on the geographical globe that extends from North Pole to South Pole are called longitudes. Latitudes extend from west to east. The earth has been divided into time zones on the basis of longitudes for the use of internationally accepted standard time. 24 years, 24 time zones, correct. Which one of the following is not a Mongoloid tribal group living in the Himalayan region?
Vedas.
Yes, Vedas. They are indigenous people of Sri Lanka. Vedas are indigenous people living in Sri Lanka. When the sun is directly over the Tropic of Cancer on the 21st June is called the summer solstice, correct. A desert located in the South Asian region is
Thar
Desert. When the Greenwich time is 1 p.m., what is the time in a country located along 75 degrees east longitude? 6 p.m. Yes, 6 p.m. අපි දන්නවා longitudes 15ක් කියන්නේ පැයක වෙනස. Longitudes 15ක් තියෙනවා නම් පැයක එනවා මෙතන 75ක් තියෙන්නේ 15 5ක් කියන්නේ පැය 5ක්. එහෙනම් add 5 hours to 1 p.m. then 6 p.m. 6 p.m. The of the earth results in the occurrence of day and night and regional differences in time. Revolution, yes. No. Rotation. The result of rotation are occurrence of day and night and regional time differences. Has been awarded the membership of SAARC. but geographically it belongs to Central Asia.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Sri Lanka is located in the time zone.
Chennai.
Chennai time zone, yes. Formerly, it was known as Madras time zone. The lowest temperature and the night time is longer. Special features of winter. Winter, correct. The person who used the telescope to observe the universe for the first time is
Galileo Galilei.
correct. That's correct. Answer from questions 21 to 25 related to the world map. Here. What is the letter that indicates Hindu Kush mountain range? Hindu Kush. Here. Letter J. Letter J here. Letter J. What are the letters that indicates Ganges River and Indus River respectively? Respectively can piliveli. Ganges River is B and C. B and C. බලන්න මේ තියෙන්නේ Ganges River. C කියලා තියෙන්නේ නම් Indus River. මේක C and B කිව්වොත් වැරදි. B and C. අහලා තියෙන්නේ එහෙමනේ පිළිවෙල. මුලින්ම සඳහන් කරලා තියෙන්නේ Ganges River. Ganges River. එතකොට ඒ විදිහට එන්න ඕන answer this one. What are the letters that indicate Thar Desert and Tibet Plateau?
M.
Sorry?
M.
හරි බලමු අපි. Thar Desert M. Tibet Plateau N. M N. මේ දම් පාටින් තියෙන Tibet Plateau M Thar Desert. M N. M N. What is the sea area indicated by letter A? Sea area.
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Here. Bay of Bengal. මේ P තියෙන්නේ Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal. What's the marshland shaded in green color? Shaded.
Sundarban.
Yes. අපි බලමු එතන. Here. මේ තියෙන්නේ yes, Sundarbans. Sundarbans. It is in Bangladesh. This one. All other marshlands are located in Sri Lanka. Right? Kiralakale, Muthurajavela, Kalamatiya, they are in Sri Lanka. Sundarbans in Bangladesh. Answer questions 26 to 30 based on the following diagram. Following diagram. මීට කලින් ටෙස්ට් එකෙත් මේ diagram එක දැවට ප්‍රශ්න ටික වෙනස්. Questions ටික වෙනස් සම්පූර්ණයෙන්. Questions වෙනස් කරලා තියෙන diagram එක සමාන වුණා. What is the planet shown by letter H? Letter H. Yes. Mercury.
Mercury.
ඔබට මේවා බල ප්‍රමාණාත්මක දැනුම මම බැලුවේ. The smallest planet. අන්න එකෙන් ඔබ අල්ල ගන්න ඕනේ. Smallest planet මෙතන මේ තියෙන්නේ. Right? දැන් බලන්න Jupiter කියන්නේ largest object එක මේ. Second largest Saturn. මෙතන මේ ප්‍රමාණය තියෙන මේ විදිහට. අන්න එන ඔබගේ දැනුම තිබුණ ප්‍රමාණාත්මක පැත්ත Mercury. Mercury. What is the letter that shows the planet that has the highest gravitational power?
B.
Letter B. Yes, Jupiter. Letter B. Letter B shows Jupiter. What's the letter that shows Uranus? Uranus.
C.
Yes.
D.
Letter D. What is the planet?
C.
Sorry.
Letter C.
C. C. තියෙන්නේ. මෙතන මේ තියෙන bright ring මේ පැහැදිලි ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතනත් ඉතා තුනී වලලු පද්ධතියක් තියෙනවා මේ. Saturn වලට වගේ වලලු පද්ධතියක් නෑ හැබැයි. නමුත් තියෙන්නේ තියෙන්නේ. C තමයි එන්න ඕනේ. C letter. C letter. What is the planet shown by letter A?
Saturn.
Letter A. Yes, Saturn. Saturn ඔබට පැහැදිලිවම හඳුනා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Saturn. What's the letter that shows the coldest planet in the solar system? Coldest planet. Letter D.
Daddy,
Letter D. What is that?
Neptune.
Yes. What is the reason for that?
Because it's the
Because
farthest
the distance
planet.
Yes, farthest planet from the sun. That's the reason. Okay. From questions 31 to 35, say following statements are true or false. Different climates ranging from polar climate to tropical climate can be seen in the Himalayas.
True.
Yes, that is true. That is true. බලන්න හිමාලය region එකේ පුතේ විවිධ දේශගුණ වර්ග දක්නට ලැබෙනවා. Polar climates to tropical climate. Polar climate means lowest temperature. Tropical කියන්නේ highest, වැඩිම. The capital city of Nepal is Thimphu.
False.
False. That is false. All South Asian countries have coastal belts.
False.
False. Venus and Uranus rotate from west to east.
False.
False. In countries which have seasonal changes, highest temperature is recorded during autumn.
False.
False. During which season?
Summer.
Season.
Summer season. Summer season. From questions 36 to 40, select the most suitable answer. Are marked by red lines, margin by thin black color lines on either side of it.
Main road.
Main roads.
Main road.
Main roads, correct. The Astronomical Institute in USA that reveal information about a ninth planet which is 10 times larger than the Earth.
Caltech.
Caltech. Caltech, correct. The interval between two contour lines on 1 to 50,000 topographic maps.
20
20
meters.
meters.
20 meters. මෙතන interval කියන්නේ පරතරය. Gap එක. Right? Gap between two contour lines 20 meters. Phobos and Deimos are two natural satellites of Mars. Then on 20, right? An area in the desert where there is water is called
Oasis.
oasis. Oasis කියන්නේ ക്ഷേම භූමිය. ക്ഷേම භූමිය. An area in a desert where there is water. Now let's discuss civic education. Answer all the questions. Are the services supplied by the private sector and government which can be utilized by all people in common with the objective of developing living conditions of people?
Public services.
Public services. Public services. Which one of the following is not a necessity of providing public services?
To provide relief.
To provide relief to high income.
High income families. Make a වැරදි. To provide relief to low income earners. Low income earners. අඩු ආදායම්ලාභීන්ට සහන සැපීම තමයි ආරම්භ. අවශ්‍යතාව. Right? Not a necessity. Third one, it is stated that during the reign of King Bland in Anuradhapura era, a physician had been appointed for each group of 10 villages. In Buddhadasa, yes. In Buddhadasa. Is not a function fulfilled by health service.
Contributing to
Contributing to
Yes, contributing to public welfare through revealing information. Right, not a function fulfilled by health service. But others are functions of health service. Conducting medical clinics, treating patients, implementation of immunization programs. Is not a democratic feature that can be seen in the family.
enjoying the rights.
enjoying the rights without fulfilling duties.
Yes, enjoying the rights without fulfilling duties. It should be corrected as enjoying the rights while fulfilling duties. while fulfilling duties method without තියෙන වැරදි. Is not a government officer providing services to children and families at regional level. Samurdhi officer, yes, Samurdhi officer. The motto of the cooperatives is
One for all and all for one.
yes, one for all for one. For fatherland කියලා තියෙනවා පීතෘ භූමිය වෙනුවෙන්. This is the motto of Sri Lanka Army. Golden fence around the country, Navy motto. Protect Lanka's sky, Air Force. Motto of the Air Force. මේක සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ සුරකිමු ලකඹර. Right? රට වටා බැඳි රන් වැට ඒ වගේ. Refusal to change, act very strictly, take decisions unanimously, threatening, intimidation are features of
Second one.
Autocratic.
yes, autocratic leadership style. Autocratic කියන්නේ පුතේ ඒකාධිපති. ඒකාධිපති නායකත්ව ශෛලී ලක්ෂණ තමයි වෙනස් වෙන්න කැමති නැහැ. Act very strictly. සැරපරුස ලෙස වැඩ කරන්න. Take decisions unanimously ඒකමතිකව. තර්ජනය කිරීම, බිය ගැන්වීම, මේවා තියෙන්නේ. Threatening, intimidation ඒවා. 9. Not a quality relevant to the democratic way of living.
Acting without transparency.
Acting without
Yes, acting without transparency. Without transparency, විනිවිදභාවයෙන් තොරව ක්‍රියා කිරීම ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදී ජීවන රටාවේ ලක්ෂණයක් නෙවෙයි. ඒතර අනිත් ඒවා ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදී ජීවන රටාවේ ලක්ෂණ තමයි. Culture is that complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, law, customs, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by a human as a member of society. Who define culture as above?
P.B. Tyler.
E.B. Tyler, yes. There are different definitions about culture. The most successful definition was presented by E.B. Tyler. Though the Sri Lankan Health Service has achieved a large development, the non-communicable diseases such as blank
Diabetes, kidney diseases, and cancers.
Kidney diseases, cancer.
yes, diabetes, kidney diseases, cancers. They are non-communicable diseases. බෝ නොවන රෝග. මේ අනෙත් ඒවා බෝ වන රෝග. Communicable ඒවා. Right? එහෙනම් මේ diabetes, kidney diseases, cancers. They are increasing. So follow good health habits. Good health habits. Follow good food habits. Health habits. Engage in exercises regularly. Not a human activity affected to heighten destruction due to tsunami.
Protecting
Mangrove.
Not a human activity affected. Yes. Protecting mangroves. Protecting mangroves. මේක tsunami වලට බලපාන්නේ නැහැ. tsunami වල හානිය අවම වෙනවා. අනිත් කරුණු නිසා හානිය වැඩි වෙනවා. A land can be defined as a barrier or an obstacle that blocks reach in a certain activity, condition, or situation.
problem.
Problem, yes. Problem. Having a self-pride regarding the job one engages in is called, how is it called?
Dignity of labor.
Dignity of
Dignity of labor. Dignity of labor. තමන් කරන රැකියාව පිළිබඳ ඇතිවෙන අභිමානය තමයි ශ්‍රමාභිමානය කියලා කියන්නේ. Dignity of labor. ඔබ අවංකව සේවය සැපුවොත් කාර්යක්ෂමව ඔබට ශ්‍රමාභිමානයක් ඇති වෙනවා. An advantage that affects an institution according to the employee's higher income.
Increase the
efficiency of the employee.
Yes, increase the efficiency of employee. ඉහළ වැටුපක් ලැබෙනවා නම් සේවකයන්ගේ ඔවුන්ගේ කාර්යක්ෂමතාවය වැඩි වෙනවා. ඔවුන් කැපවීමෙන් වැඩ කරනවා. right? මේ අඩු වැටුපක් නම් ලැබෙන්නේ නිවාඩු ගන්නව වැඩි. වැඩ ප්‍රමාද වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ අරගල කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ ඒ වගේ. right? Say whether the following statements are true or false. The infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality rate in Sri Lanka are in a higher level.
false.
False, yes, that is false. infant mortality ලදරු මරණ, maternal mortality මාතෘ මරණ මේවා තියෙන අඩු මට්ටමක තියෙනවා. lower level. වල සෞඛ්‍ය අංශයේ තියෙන ප්‍රගතිය. report to work on time, keeping a good behavior, working hard, working as a team member are some of the rights of a worker. True or false?
False.
False. What are they?
Duties of a worker.
Duties of a worker. They are duties of a worker. එහෙනම් මේවා අයිතිවාසිකම් නෙවෙයි පුතේ. Reporting to work on time, වෙලාවට වැඩට යෑම මේවා duty. Keeping a good behavior, working hard, they are duties of a worker. Right. බලන්න ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්නය. Here. Right. In service training means training given after recruitment.
True.
True.
In service training means training given after recruitment. That is true. Pre-service කියන්නේ before recruitment, pre-service training. In service සේවයට බැඳිච්ච අතරතුර දෙන සේවය. පුහුණුව. The Japanese use a bicycle to attend to most of their needs. Using a bicycle does not show or imply any social discrimination.
True.
True.
That is true.
True.
දැන් ජපානයේ විදුහල්පතිවරු, කළමනාකරුවෝ, අධ්‍යක්ෂකවරු බයිසිකලෙන් වැඩට යනවා. right? අපේ රටේ ප්‍රාඩෝ, මොන්ටේරෝ, ලෑන්ඩ් ක්‍රූසර් වගේ වෙන් යන අය එහි බයිසිකලෙන් යනවා. එහෙම ගියා කියලා සමාජයේ උසස් පහත් ભેදයක් නැහැ. ඩිස්ක්‍රිමිනේෂන් එකක් නැහැ. ඒ රටවල ප්‍රංශයේ හිමත් එහෙමයි. ප්‍රංශයේත් එහෙමයි. බයිසිකල් හැකිතරම් පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපේ රට සංවර්ධනය වෙනවා, අපි නිරෝගී වෙනවා. ට්‍රැෆික් කන්ජෙෂන් එක අඩු වෙනවා. Environmental pollution, reduce environmental pollution, save fuel, save foreign exchange. අපිට ඩොලර් හිඟයට විසඳුමක් මිනිස්සු පාවිච්චි කරනවා. right? දැන් අපේ පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ ඉන්න අය යන්නේ ඉහළම හොඳම සැප වාහන ඒවා ලීටර් එකකින් කිලෝමීටර 4-5 යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වාහන. හැබැයි ජපානයේ ඒවා හදන මිනිස්සු යන්නේ බයිසිකලෙන්. ඒවා හදන සමාගම් වල මිනිස්සු යන්නේ බයිසිකල්. right? India and USA are not multicultural countries.
False.
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 False. Right. Now, that's the end of the paper discussion.